Hi, another scratch lesson. In this lesson, we're going to put the notes together for Jingle Bells. I have the notes here and I'm going to go over it briefly. We will be using only the white keys, no sharps or flats. And the notes we need are from 55 to 69. These are the numbers in Scratch. Remember, middle C or C4 is 60, and you can figure the rest out accordingly. So things to watch for: we'll be using G in the third octave, also G in the fourth octave, the same with A3 and A4. So this part is jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. So let's see. So you need the E note. If I didn't put anything else around it, it's in the fourth octave, so that would be E4. This is 64, 64, 64. And I put a dash in front of it, next to it. It means it's a half note. So these are all quarter notes. This is a half note. That is double the length of a quarter note. So I'm going to use 0.25 seconds for quarter notes, 0.5 seconds for half notes, and the last one here is a full note, 1 full second. I'm going to put the notes in the description below as well. So let's look at this one. The underlined ones are eighth notes, and they are 0.125 seconds. They're very short. They're half the length of quarter notes. So again, these are all quarter notes. Quarter notes, quarter notes, quarter notes, half note, half note. If you see one dash, that's a half note. If you see 3 dashes, it means it's a full note. So remember, there are 4 beats in a note, in a full note, and a quarter note such as this one is 1 beat. So these are the only eighth notes, here and here, as well as in the next verse. These ones are eighth notes, eighth notes. Okay, and I have it on the keyboard so you know this is the middle C. It's 60 in Scratch, and everything is sequentially numbered. So this is 60, this is 61, the black key, C sharp, 62, so 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, and so on. Okay, this is the fourth octave. We're only using these keys that I have labeled on the keyboard. So let's go to Scratch. We need to go to Events, and let's say we want to start the note by, we want to start the music by clicking the green flag. We need a loop, so we go to Controls. Depends how many times you want to play it. You can play it forever. It will get very annoying, but that's good. So play notes, so we need to go to Music. Okay, so you go to Sound to look for play note, and if you don't see it, you need to go and get it. So let's go here, Music, go to an extension. So we have play note. It's good to remember the first one is 64. It's the first note. Let's go and check it again. So the first one is E, so is the second one, and the third, the fourth, fifth, and sixth, and seventh. So 64. So look for, so that's E, 64. Yeah, I want it to be actually 0.25. This is basically seconds, not beats. It says that. That's good. So since I need the same note again and again, 2. Okay, we don't need it right now, so let's not loop it first. Okay. So this was supposed to be a quarter note, I believe the next one is a half note, quarter, quarter, half. So you change that to 0.5, and this one also 0.5. Basically I did it up to here. Now I need E, G, so you go and put the next, you can copy this and then just change it. So I have an E there. This was supposed to be 0.25. Now I need another one. Okay. So this one is supposed to be 67. We can type it in. This is supposed to be 60. You can type it in. 62. And the last one was 64. You can type it in or just find the key. It was but this one was one full note. So let's refer back to our notes. You basically did the first line, okay? Yes. So if I click on it, okay, so that's just the first line. Now you can put rest in there, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go to control, and I'm going to put a wait block in there. Okay, and actually I'm going to change that to 0. So basically no rest there, but I want a visual reminder that I finished the first line, so I know this is the first line. Okay, you can use this to finish it. Use the notes to finish the whole song. Just follow the instructions I gave you. So most of the notes are quarter notes, and they are 0.25 seconds in length. And some are half notes. The half notes are 0.5. The full notes are 1 full second. And there are just a few 8 notes, and those are 1/8 of a second, and that would be 0.125 seconds each. Okay. Okay, thank you. Good luck. Take care.